guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make name brand clothing for super cheap.
Alright guys, so these are the products that you will be needing for this. You're going to need a plain shirt, scissors and iron, transfer paper, and an inkjet printer. This cannot be done with laser jets. Something I like to do when choosing the size of the image is to zoom in on the computer to get the piece of paper the same exact size as the format that's showing on the screen, and then I can kind of see how big the image will be on the piece of paper as far as fitting as many images on there as possible, just so we don't waste. And then I'll put the article of clothing up to the computer just to see if I like the sizing and the amount of space on the piece of material that it will take up. When choosing the type of paper, you need to know that light transfer paper is meant for light colored shirts. It works best with white. You need to flip the image horizontally before you print, or else you will iron it on backwards. Dark transfer paper is for dark colored shirts, which you can print regularly. The printer paper package that I bought from Walmart comes with an instruction sheet which tells you which papers are which and gives you more in-depth instruction in case you're still confused. So make sure you read through those. Now that you have your images printed out, the next step is to be cutting out each image for ironing. My advice to you is to cut out as much of the film as possible. So if it's a square image like the one I'm cutting out here, it'll be super easy to just get the image, but the more detailed it is, the harder it is to get in there with scissors. So the film does dry clear, but it sometimes has a glossy finish. But if that's something that you don't mind, then don't worry about it. I'm going to be showing you two examples. This one is it was a practice shirt. It ended up not working out because the material wasn't 100% cotton or mostly cotton. This was more of like a spandexy material, so I don't recommend doing huge designs on something of that material. It'll still work, but you just have to be careful and know that when you stretch it, the ink will not be stretchable itself, so it'll crack and you'll be able to see that in the image. But I wanted to include that just so that you guys could see. This is the shirt we're going to be working with. I got it from Plato's Closet for $6, and it was originally from Forever 21 in a size medium. You're going to need a smooth and stable surface. I would suggest putting a pillowcase under the shirt so you don't damage the surface underneath. You want to take your time aligning the image on the shirt and make sure that it's straight and where you want it to be. When it's all set in position, take a piece of wax paper or parchment paper and place it over the image, and then iron it for 2 to 3 minutes, constantly applying pressure and then making sure you're covering every edge of the design. Let it cool completely before peeling off the lining, and then you are all done. I'm pretty sure most packages suggest that you wait at least 24 hours before wearing or washing the item, but then after that you can treat it as a normal piece of clothing.
Okay, so I love how this one turned out. It definitely looks super authentic. You can see it up close. Yeah, so it's super simple, way cheaper. This was a $6 shirt I got it in a size medium, so it could be like pretty baggy. So not only did I reuse clothing, but I mean, I made it look super expensive. Like a shirt like this would be like, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks. Alright, well, that is it. I hope you guys found this very useful. I hope you guys try this out. Like, you can literally make anything look like it's worth so much more just by putting a logo on it, which is kind of sad on our part, but at least we know how to play the system, you know? And this is not illegal. It's only illegal if you sell it. So don't break the law. Anyways, that is it for today. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And come back for more. See you guys.